Okay, can see my screen. Alhamdulillah. So where are we? Sorry for the delay. Where are we?
Satu 6 kot.
Okay. Oh yeah.
159 kan dok?
Here we are.
159.
Okay. So I believe the rest of question you did it yourself, huh? Any problem? Okay. You do the exercise, then you know got a problem or not. Okay. Now we moving along to new subtopic. The last one before we end up this topic. 6.4 angles and tangents of circle. How do you solve problems involving angles and tangents to the circle? A circle is a familiar shape that we come across in our daily routine. One example is the wheel, the wheel of the bicycle. Can you calculate the length of y? Or center to center. Angle alpha, angle alpha here. And angle theta here. Example 21, the diagram on the right shows two pulleys centered at 0 and A respectively, which are suspended from the ceiling BC. The rope ADO connects both pulleys. Calculate the value of x. Any idea how to find the value of x here? So let's analyze. We got two circles, small one, big one, and they both circle been connected to their center, and we have this radius CO and radius BA, and we have this tangent. Can you see the road up there, which touch the point of tangent C at C and point of tangent C at B. Given to us this angle 108. Given this D here is the point of tangent C and also a radius dA. AD here is a radius for this circle, a big one here. So the idea is this radius must equal to this radius, because both coming from the same circle, same center. And suddenly we been asked the value of x. What is the angle of x? Any idea how to find? Since we know the radius, the radius. So the idea is this angle is equal to this angle, correct?
Yes.
So we could find both x and this angle if we know this angle. This angle, this DAB angle. Any idea how to find this DAB angle before we find the value of x? It must have something to do with this angle 108 here. Any idea How to find this angle X?
Cikgu,
Ya,
yang angle kat D tu dia 108 juga ke?
kat D ni 18
Ha.
sini. Oh tidak, tidak.
Ha. Oh, okay.
Where do you got the idea?
Tak, tadi silap faham sikit.
Oh, tak apa. You know what? Do you see this polygon here? Can you see this polygon? It is like we have did the it is like it resemble like this, right? It is like it resemble like this, the polygon.
Yes.
So
Cikgu,
yeah.
maksudnya 180 tolak 108 eh?
180 tolak 18 untuk dapat apa?
Oh. Untuk dapat X.
But apa dia punya reason?
Sebab kan tak tahu.
Cikgu.
Ya.
Apa ni? Dia macam kat atas sana ni. Cikgu, buku cikgu ada bawah sangat.
Ya.
Cikgu, sebab saya rasa saya tahu dia sebab apa.
Sebab apa?
Sebab kan dia petak. Ingat tak kita belajar hari tu kalau opposite angle lah. Total opposite angle tu dia 180 kan.
Ya.
Dalam ni opposite untuk X kan O. So 180 tolak dengan 108 sebab nak dapat X tu. Betul tak?
Oh no.
Betul.
Itu tak betul. Itu betul jika empat apa ni? 4 bucu ni duduk dalam satu.
Duduklah circle.
Circle. Ini different circle ni. Kita tak boleh guna konsep tu. Can we...
Tu cikgu, bentuk petak.
Petak apa?
Tu ada garis B ke C.
B ke C?
OC tu dia boleh di 90 degree kan?
Ya, 90.
Situ.
90.
Lepas tu dekat B tu boleh jadi 90.
Ni pun 90, okey. 90.
Lepas tu kan dekat A tak tahu.
Dekat A tak tahu, ya betul.
Okay, lepas tu 300 kan petak macam kalau bentuk macam ni kan 360. 360 tolak 108 tolak 90 tolak 90. Dapatlah 72 untuk yang A tu.
Ya.
Lepas tu kan dia radius kan. Radius dia sama panjang. Jadi 72 bahagi 2 dapatlah jawapan untuk X.
Oh. A long story. Okey, Aini dapat
Pendek lah
ni.
tu.
Okay. Dah lah, betul lah. Rupanya Aini dapat idea tu. Semua orang dapat?
Lepas Aini terang baru dapat.
Okey, mana Aini dapat idea ni? Tiba-tiba Aini jadi terror pula ni.
Rujuk kat bawah.
Rujuk kat buku ni? Okey lah. Okey. Tapi kalau tak ada rujukan ni macam mana? Boleh dapat tak?
Boleh?
Okey, lagi sekali apa cerita dia? Mula-mula Aini melihat semua apa ni? This quadrilateral. We know that total internal quadrilateral is 360 degree, correct? 360 degree. So I need know the angle at this point is 90 degree, correct? Because this radius meet this tangent, which we come to learn before, is if radius meet the tangent at point of tangency C, we going to have 90 degree, like this, 90 degree. And so does this. This radius meet the tangent at point of tangency B. And this is why we have this also 90 degree. Okay, I want you to focus on this quadrilateral. Now we have find 2 angle out of 4 angle, correct? And this one is, we know already, it given to us 108 degree, right? This angle, and the only left is this one. What is the angle of this BAD here? What is the angle? We know the 3 out of 4 already. Now can we find this angle? Yes, of course we can find. We take 360 degree total internal angle for quadrilateral. We minus with this, this, and this, and whatever left is belong to this. Got the idea? So
Got.
Aini got what is the value here? Aini?
72.
72, 72 degree. The angle of this value. Okay. Now we know this angle. And yeah, before that, we agree that this is the radius. And this is the radius, the same radius. Mean the same length. Means it produce the same angle at the end. So this angle equal to this angle. And yeah, the idea is to take look. Now let's take a look at this triangle here. We know that this angle here is 72. So take 180 degree minus 72 is what belong to this both. Since this both is equal in size, is why we can divide it by 2. And eventually we'll get the value of x. So this is the idea how to find the value of this x. First, we need to get through this quadrilateral. And then because we learn the tangency, we come to know this angle, that is right angle triangle, right, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, right angle triangle lah. Right angle, right angle. Okay. And then we given this, so we complete 3. We know complete 3 out of 4. Then we can find the last one. So and then we begin with that. Then we can find our way out to find the value of x. It combine another concept, that is isosceles triangle, that we know both end is equal in size, and so on and so on, and you'll find your way out. Okay, so guess what, here's another question for you, which involves two circle. Make sure you do all of them. Okay, it will drill your concept. If you hold all the concept correct, then you shall be able to answer all of the question. Okay. So many. This the last one before we end up the topic. They will give us so many question with so many variation. Make sure you do all of them. Okay. Until you find the problem, you mark, then we're going to discuss that later. Okay, now we officially end up chapter 6. Now moving along, we go to chapter 7. Okay, any question before we leave this topic, chapter 6? Everybody okay?
Okay.
Okay. So in order to preserve what you just know from chapter 6 and previous chapter, this is why you must always do exercise, do do a lot of exercise lah in the future in order to preserve what you just know. Never let things go away and waste what we just learned. So coming to chapter 7, plants and elevation. Do you know plants? Plants, sorry, plant, not plants. Do you know plants? Do you know elevation? Elevate?
No.
Nah, actually, you know, plants. When we want to build something, we're going to have a plan. That is the plan. When you want to kill somebody, also you need a plan. Okay, you got the idea what plan is. And elevation. What is elevation? Do you know elevation? You ever encounter this word before? From one, mathematics from one, I believe. Elevation. Do you still remember this elevation? Do you know elevation? Do you forgot what is elevation? You forgot? Not remember? Elevate. Elevate. What is elevation?
Ketinggian cikgu. Ketinggian.
Yalah, something like that. Elevate. Ketinggian. Okay. I don't have a book. Okay. Elevate. Means if you have this building here and you stand there, you're going to elevate your head to see this tall building here. That is what elevation means. And you know what? To learn this topic, you must have tools. You must have gun. You must have bomb. You must have a triangle ruler. You must have long ruler. You must have eraser. You must have a compass. You must have whatever you must have. Okay. Now, do you have all of this? All of this? No? That is the problem to learn this topic. Unless you have all of this, then we can start learn. You don't have all of this, guess what? I don't know how to teach you. You know what? There is two triangle. There are two triangle, two kinds of triangle, which different degree, different angle. We have another one, triangle. Where is it? Where is mine? Didn't you bring along with when you went back home? Didn't you bring all the apparatus?
No.
No. How come you just bring yourself? This is unacceptable.
Kita dekat rumah.
Dekat rumah? Rumah ke kat asrama?
Kan, sekolah tempat belajar, rumah tempat tidur.
Okay. This, you see, this is a must to learn this topic. You don't have this, I don't know how to teach you. Do you have this or not?
Apa beza dia dengan pembaris yang biasa, cikgu?
Pembaris biasa ni nantinya tak boleh nak buat lagu tu. Nampak? Tak boleh nak tonyoh kat tepi lagu tu. Kan? Kita nak macam ni. Tujuannya kita macam ni. Kita katakan kita ada satu garis ni. Nampak garis ni? Macam mana nak pindahkan garis ni ke sini? Contoh. Dengan mana dia punya direction ni sama. Selari ya. Tu pasal kita perlu ada dua ni. Sebab kita nak buat macam tu nanti. Kita akan tembungkan dua ni. Nampak? Tembungkan dua macam ni. Kita akan bawa sepadan ni. Nampak ni? Menghampiri sepadan ni. Sepadan garis ni. Okey, macam tu. Kita akan adjust kiri kanan bagi dia. Betul-betul cantik macam tu. Okey. Lepas tu kita nak tolak lagi tu. Nak tolak naik atas ke tu, turun bawah ke macam tu. Kita nak garis ke tu, nampak? Jadi garis ni is parallel to this line. Itu pasal perlu macam ni. Yalah memang semua pembaris pun untuk garis. Tapi bila kamu tak ada ni, kita tak boleh nak pindahkan apa ni? Garis yang sama parallel ni, yang selari ni. Kau pakai garis ni saja, macam mana nak buat? Ni tak boleh buat macam ni. Main agak tak boleh macam ni. Kamu buat macam ni. Kan? Kamu kuat ke tepi ni. Lepas tu kamu pun tolak macam tu. Bila dah tolak tu, dah lari lah. Mana boleh satu pembaris je. Itu pasal lah kamu beli set tool, matematik tool. Memang dia datangkan dengan dua macam ni dah. Sebab kamu nak belajar topik ni perlu unjuran. Itu pasal lah. Kamu dah ada belum? Kau tak ada, macam mana boleh tak ada? Kan cikgu dah pesan dulu. Kena bawa balik semua. Buku tag apa semua. Wajib. Okay, lepas tu tak ada, kena cari lah. Kena cari beli lah kat kedai dekat lah.
Okey, cikgu.
Okey, wajib ni, wajibul
Kat
gunah.
Shopee banyak.
Kat Shopee lambat sangat. Suruh bapak pergi kedai je lah. Okey, beli semua benda ni. Kompas kena ada Ini kena ada ni. Apa nama ni? Apa kita panggil ni? Protractor ke protector ke? Ada R ke tak ada R? Cikgu pun dah confused. Okey. Kamu carilah sendiri ejaan. Ini kena ada ni. Ni kamu cikgu Syak kamu akan pakai dengan banyak ni. Benda ni. Nampak tak? Toyol putih kecil. Okey. Kena ada banyak ni. Okey. Mesti lebih singgam je. Beli ni sama. Apa lagi? Ini pensel lah. Pensel. Okey. Kalau pakai pensel tu kena make sure sharp. Okay, sharp. Sebab kita nak lukis ni, kamu tengok ni. Memang kena tepat. Kalau tak sharp ni, bucu ni bertembung. Pakat lari habis. Jadi tak betul. Kita kena buat semua unjuran ni. Okay, kena tepat ni. Kalau tak tepat, memang. Menman tau, menman. Okay, now are you ready to learn? Then let's begin. Orthogonal projections. What is a plane and a normal to a plane? What is plane? What is normal to a plane? So we got two names here. Two names, two label. okay, so you see this is cylinder. This object is what we call cylinder, and this is cone. A cone. We got sphere here. So let's analyze this. So this cylinder here, we got curve. We got curved surface. Curve. Okay. Curve means if we put on this curve side on the flat table, it's going to roll because it is curved. Okay. And then we have flat surface. Flat. Down and up there is flat surface. Means if we put the flat surface part on the flat table, it's not going to move. It's not going to roll because it is flat. So first take to know we have in any object, actually we have two types of surface. First is curve, second is flat. Okay, and this cone we have curved surface here. Okay, all the way around here, and flat surface on the bottom. Okay, and this sphere we got no flat surface at all. All we got is on the curved surface. This is why the sphere always roll on a flat surface. Okay, so we come to now look at the whatever it is in yellow box. A plane is the flat surface of an object. Oh, it's what we call a plane. It's what a plane is. Is the flat surface of an object. There are three types of planes, namely horizontal plane, vertical plane, inclined plane. Okay. Oh, there are three types of plane. There are three types of flat surface. Okay. Okay. We take this for we take this example to understand these three types of planes. Okay. So you see, which is inclined? Which is the flat which is inclined? The flat that is inclined. If you refer to this example is BCEF. Can you see this surface BCEF? It is curved or flat?
Flat.
Flat. And then what type of flat it is? We got three types of flat.
Incline.
Incline. You know incline? Do you know incline?
No.
Tak tahu incline.
Tak tahu.
Macam dah cerita banyak kali dah incline ni. Incline ni when something not standing straight upwards. Neither straight, neither horizontal, neither vertical, neither horizontal. In between is what we call incline. Now you understand, Maria?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So incline is not this is straight, this is horizontal. This is vertical. So incline is like this. In between, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Even this way. Okay. Like that, like that. Incline. Okay. Got some value of angle. Not 0 degree, not 90 degree. In between. So like this case here, it is inclined, right? This flat surface here inclined. So not 90 degree, got some degree there, in between 0 and 90 lah. Okay, maybe 45, let's say 30 degree, 60 degree, whatever it is, as long as it not belong to 0 and 90 degree. Okay, so this plane here, we could either call it flat or also plane. Both are telling us the same thing. Okay, so this plane here, BCEF, is inclined plane. Okay, can you find another that is inclined plane on this object? It is A, D, E, F. On the back. Okay, on the back. It is flat. At the same time, it is inclined. It's what we call inclined plane. Okay. How about this? How about this? This BAF. BAF. Is it curve or flat?
Flat.
It is flat or it is plane. And what kinds of plane it is? Is it inclined?
Vertical.
Is it inclined? Can you see it?
No.
No,
No.
Yeah, the shape is like a triangle. But if you look at this, this side, if we stand on this side, right side here, and we look from this angle, we see that this is standing in a straight, standing straight, upward, vertical, not inclined to the right or to the left. So the idea is ABF is a type of vertical plane. Vertical plane. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good. Now, can you find other plane that is vertical plane?
CDE.
Okay, good. Give the label. Give the name. CDE is also vertical plane. What is horizontal plane? Which one is horizontal plane?
ABCD.
Okay, the base. The bottom one, A, B, C, D, because it lying horizontally, correct? It lies horizontally. While this FAB, ABF here is lying vertically. Okay. So now you come to know the various type of plane. Okay, now we have let's go for this yellow box here. What they want to tell us: a normal to a plane is one name here. Got a long name, but actually it refers to only one thing. Normal to a plane. Okay, one thing here. A normal to a plane. Before we learn only a plane. What is a plane? Now, normal to a plane. What the hell is it mean? Now we use hell a lot. A normal to a plane is a straight line that is perpendicular. Do you know perpendicular? 90 degree, yeah? Right? 90 degree. Okay? This line is perpendicular to this line. This vertical line is always perpendicular to this horizontal line. So no, you know, perpendicular of that form. Or that forms a right angle. Right angle. Right angle that is 90 degree. This angle which we can say right angle instead of 90 degree to any line on the plane. To any line on the plane. is a straight line. Normal to a plane is a straight line that is perpendicular. Okay, you know what? You don't understand, correct? You don't understand. Okay, let's just say so. You don't understand until you see one or two example, then you will understand. Take a look at this. We have example 1. Okay, example 1. The diagram on the right shows a cube. State the normal to the following planes. State the normal plane to the following planes. A, PQRS. PQRS. Okay, so we know this is a plane, correct? Because it is flat. And what types of plane is it? What type of plane is it? It is
Horizontal.
horizontal planes. Okay, good. Okay, so what is normal? What is normal to this plane, PQRS? What is normal to this plane? It is whatever the straight line connected to this plane in perpendicular. That is 90 degree. Example, the line of UP. The line of UP is a normal to this plane, PQRS. Why? Because between line UP and this plane is 90 degree, right angle, perpendicular. You got the idea?
Yes.
Okay. So it referred between two normal straight line, one straight line to a plane. Beside this UP line here, can you find another line which is connected to this plane PQRS, which is perpendicular?
VQ.
Another example, VQ. Next
ES.
example, yes. TS.
WR.
TS and WR. How about line UQ here?
Oh.
Not a normal. Not a normal to a plane PQRS. This is how we say things. Okay. Okay. Now take a look at this second plane here. We have PSTU. This on the left side here. Okay, PSTU. Oh yeah, before that, let me ask you, what kind of plane is it? PSTU.
Normal plane.
No. There are three types.
Vertical.
Vertical plane. Okay, vertical plane.
plane.
PSTU is vertical because it's standing vertical. Okay. Okay. Refer to this vertical plane here. What is the? Can you find the line which is perpendicular to them?
VU.
Such as VU, WT, RS, QP. Okay, good. Very good. Now, let's take a look at plane number 3, RSTW. Where is it? RSTW. Oh, on the back side. Okay, on the back side. So, find me normal to this plane. VW, UT, PS, QR. Okay. Okay. How about this plane? QRTU. Wow. This time, what kind of plane is it? QRTU.
Horizontal. In
No.
incline.
Incline flat surface, QRTU.
Yeah.
So can you
Okay.
find normal?
TS.
TS. Ha?
Eh,
No. TS
no.
and this plane is
PV.
not 90 degree here, not 90 degree.
PV.
PV. PV, where is PV? Mana dia PV? PV. PV ni. PV baru betul. Sebab kalau kita cuba garis, memang tak ada garis. Kalau kita cuba garis ni. Kan? Line PV ni is 90 degree to this plane. To this inclined plane here. Can you see can you see? Correct? And so this line WS here. Okay, WS here. Not WV, WS on the back side. If we put a line, straight line. So we kind of see that this line, okay, that this line that I just made is perpendicular to this plane, to this plane. Okay, so now you do know, you really convinced about what normal is. What normal is. Okay, you understand? Example 2. Somebody who are willing to lead us this. Mariha, you lead us this.
Baca dulu
Baca dulu lah.
The diagram on the right shows a right prism with a rectangular base ABCD.
Okay.
M and N are the midpoint of AB and CD respectively. Given FG equals to EH equals to DN equals to NC equals to AM equals to MB. State the normal to the following planes.
Okay. State the normal.
ABCD.
Okay, where is it? ABCD.
FA.
Okay. FA.
ED.
ED. Okay, 90 degree.
Kalau kita boleh garis kan?
Boleh garis.
Sendiri.
Ya.
GM dengan HN.
Okay, GM also HN. Other than that, nothing. Okay, I got the idea. What is normal to a plane? Try B.
ADEF, FG.
Wait, where is plane ADEF? Oh, on the left side, or ADEF, okay? And normal to this?
FG. EH. AM. DN.
Okay. DM on the back. Apa dia? EH, okay.
AB. DC.
Okay.
Dengan FG.
Okay. So we got 4 corner, which is straight line to this plane. ADEF, okay. Everybody, you got the idea? What do you understand about orthogonal projection? A new word. Again, orthogonal. What the hell does that mean? The hell. Orthogonal. Do you know orthogonal? What is orthogonal means? They explain what orthogonal projections mean. Here is the explanation. Are images formed on a plane when the projected line from an object is perpendicular to the plane. Orthogonal projections are images formed on a plane when the projected line from an object is perpendicular to the plane. So this object, if we make a line which is perpendicular to the plane, then we kind of see the image being formed on a plane, on a new plane. Yeah, you don't see this clearly. As usual, you need one or two examples, then you will start to see what does this mean. So let's take a look at this picture above here. Can you see the line? Do you see the line PQ, the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do you see this piece of paper which lying in horizontal plane A, B, C, D? Do you see this? Let's say that this is white paper, A4 paper. Let's say A, B, C, D, lying on floor like that. And then we have this. Let's say what we call this? What is lidi in English? Lidi. Okay, like that. So we got something like this lah. If we look in 3D, like this. Okay. If we look on this side, we're going to see it like this. Where is it? How to show it to you? Okay. Okay. Like this lah. Okay. Okay. On this end, it kind of floating like that. This end it touch this, and the other end it floating like that. So you see, if I put a light upon this object, we kind of see the shadow. You can see the shadow fall on the paper, right? So here, red line here is QR, is the shadow coming from, or the image coming from this line of the object PQ. So you see, this end here coming from this P, correct? Which is this line here emerged from this P with 90 degree. 90 degree. Can you see that? 90 degree, And so does this point here, also 90 degree. And so does this point here, 90 degree. Okay, we got many 90 degree here. 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, Okay. So that is what we call orthogonal projection. Orthogonal means that how to form image from object which they've been connected with 90 degree orthogonal, 90-degree orthogonal line, 90-degree projections. Okay, I believe you got the idea lah. Okay, we have another line, let's say QP here, totally float on a surface or on this surface. If we put a lamp up on upper side here, and it can project to the QP to get down here, and we can see that the shadow of this QP is like this, because it is 90 degree, we can see that the line is straight, even that this object is not, if not in horizontal, not totally horizontal, it because it is inclined, but when we come to see the shadow on the piece of paper, it looks straight. It is look like it is not inclined. You understand? Now let's say, okay, let's say we have this object below one here. We have this object PQRS. If we put a light on the back, and the shadow will look like this, A, B, C, D here. Okay, these two, if you can see, is 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, and so does this. We have, this is object, this is image. This image form with 90 degree perpendicular to this object with this straight line here. And so does this object, and so does this object. Can you see? If you put light on the back, it we see that all the things emerge from this object, projected from this object with perpendicular lines, and all the image that we can form is like this. Okay, that is what meant by orthogonal projection. Okay, our class until this moment, until we see again, make sure you prepare all the sword, the gun, and so on, to learn to draw all of this. You're going to need lots of drawing. So until we meet again, Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, cikgu.
Thank you, cikgu.
Yeah.